We're going on a weekend trip to New York. We're flying in on a Friday. We'll get there around 3 o'clock or something like that. There Friday night, all day Saturday night, and then our flight back home is like lunchtime on Sunday. So obviously I need an outfit for the plane ride there. Then whenever we get there, we're going to see Wicked on Broadway, which I am so excited about. So I'll probably try to do something sort of Elphaba themed for Wicked. Saturday we're going to be exploring all day. Unsure on if I want like a separate dinner outfit for Saturday night or not. And then Sunday, probably something that I can go to like a sit down brunch in, but then also wear on the plane so I don't have to change again. And I am going to try to keep the outfits for this trip pretty condensed as far as the pieces, because I don't want to be taking a lot of luggage. I'm actually thinking for the plane ride there, I'll just wear this J. Crew sweatsuit. This is still available, so I'll link this in a blog post below, and then I'll also link similar options for items that aren't available, or also secondhand options, because I really believe that you can find nearly everything you want secondhand. So all of that will be in my blog post below. Probably will not do my Uggs because I don't think I'm going to take them, so I'm going to try to consolidate the amount of shoes that I'm bringing. So possibly sneakers of some sort. It really depends on what shoes I decide on whenever I try on the outfits, but I also want something that's easy to take on and off at the airport. And I definitely want to be wearing socks just for getting through security and everything. So I'm leaning towards my Golden Goose. I'm coming from Ohio, where our high for the week is 35 and our low, 36, and our low is 1. So looking at the days that will be in New York, Friday the low is 23, the high is 35, Saturday the low is 32, the high is 44, and Sunday the low is 29 and the high is 35. So just something to keep in mind. I'm going to assume I'm dressing pretty similar to how we're dressing here, but keeping in mind that I will be outside walking around a lot. But I'll also be going in places and sitting down. Oh, also, it looks like New York hasn't gotten any snow, and there's not really any chance of precipitation at all this week or by the time we're there. So that's really good to know. That makes me more comfortable bringing these sneakers if I want to, knowing that I won't be walking through like slush. But I do also have another pair of shoes that I wouldn't worry about, so I'm considering those as well. No matter the shoes I decide on, this is the main jacket that I want to bring. I learned this week that since this is wool, it's an overcoat, not a trench. So I'm bringing as my main jacket the whole time we're there. So I probably will wear it onto the plane so I don't have to pack it. And I've talked about this before, but for the last year I've done my large LL Bean boat tote. I have the zip top and I have the long handles. It's the perfect size for a personal item on American Airlines. So I always do this as my personal item now, and then I just put a purse or like whatever straight into here so that I don't have like a crossbody as a personal item, because I feel like that's a waste of space. And since this has the zip top, it's easy to tuck it under the seat in front of you. It fits perfectly. So this will be my airport outfit. Okay, and then for Wicked, I got this shirt from Loft that has these green like beaded embroidery on it. I really love this. So whenever I was doing my outfit planning, I was looking a lot at Cynthia's interview outfits, and one idea I pulled from that was this kind of screenshot. So I was thinking that I could layer this dark green sweater over this and have the embellishment peeking out the top, then do tights in the same color and like a leather pleated skirt, because I feel like this kind of ties in also with Elphaba's like school outfits. So I'm gonna try this on. I'm not sure, but I would definitely like double layer the tights if I ended up going with this. Okay, I'm not loving the pleated skirt on me, so I'm gonna try just this little black skirt. Okay, still really experimenting with this. In this scenario though, I think I will either do like a half up, which I never do, so I'll probably just do like a slick back bun for this, because I don't really want my hair covering the collar either way, and I have some fun earrings, so I'm just gonna claw clip my hair up just so we can get an idea. I have the stitchy now. I got it off of TikTok. So I think I would like use the stitchy to tuck the sweater up a little bit so that you can see the bottom half peeking out. And then I have these like jade cuffs that I got from Sari, I think is how you say it. And I also have this little pearl threader that I got from Air Raleigh. And I love how Cynthia does like all the jewelry, also how she does the nails. So I got these fake nails just off of Amazon. I'm gonna put these on. I'm not gonna put them on today though. Let's see with the jewelry. I'll definitely wear my rings and stuff that I normally wear as well. Okay, my ears are really red from like messing with it. This one fits better up here than it does here. So I don't know if I want to double stack them up there or not, but this is kind of the stack that we're going with. And then on this side, I don't have green. My hair's coming out of the claw. I just have that Air Raleigh like dangly, and then these are Tiny Luxe hoops. Should I do it double stacked like this? They're also stone, so there's literally no give. I don't want to hurt myself with my ear is like my primary concern, because can you imagine? So not sure exactly what I want to do with the earring. And these shoes I bought, and I am not sure about them either because they feel like they're a little big. I don't like hate the look of this. I just feel uncertain. I feel like they would look cuter with heels, but I have no heels that are walkable except for these. I would have to wear a lot of socks because they're a little too big, and I feel like this is gonna look not right, but you never know until you try it on. I mean, I could get away with this if I really wanted to. But I like the top half. I just really don't know about the bottom half, but I have some other ideas. Oh, and the bag. I'm thinking that I'm gonna bring this Coach Rogue bag as one of my main bags, because I think it would go with any of my outfits. And I don't have to do the crossbody. I mean, there are numerous straps. I just want to make sure I bring the crossbody for the days that we're walking if I do decide that this is going to be my main bag. Okay, same idea, but a bit more casual. I even left the tights underneath so that I could have the green like peeking out, but just doing leather pants instead of a skirt with the tights. Again, uncertain about these shoes and if they're gonna fit me good and if I'm gonna wanna wear them. So I'm gonna try my sneakers and see about that. Okay, this is it, my Golden Goose. I don't necessarily love the look of that. This is it with loafers that I wear to work. I like this. I just know that these are not the best walking shoes. Like, they just slide off my foot a lot. I don't think I want to be dealing with that. I like how the flats look. I just don't know how well I'll be able to walk in them, but I'm thinking if I layer socks underneath the tights, that would be better. Okay, I could also do the shirt on its own with these like same color green leather pants. Like I would typically do heeled suede booties with these, and that is just not an option for this weekend. I just don't love these. I don't know. I love these so much when I bought them, and I like them with like leggings sometimes. I just don't love them with normal pants. I feel like the fit of these pants just calls for a point toe booty with a heel, and I just can't do it this weekend. So I'm not really loving these pants. All right, this is what I'm gonna go with. Okay, I did just want to call out, I did think about doing this little Claire V basket that I have, because I feel like that's kind of Dorothy-esque, but I don't think I really have the room to bring this just for the one outfit. So I think I'm gonna stick with the black Coach Rogue bag. But I do think that this would be fun if you have the room. Okay, now to figure out Saturday of the trip. I don't wear these boots a ton, but I thought that they would be good for like walking and not really caring if they get dirty while we're walking. And then every outfit that I tried to imagine with them, I hated the idea of it because I was imagining like leggings and skinny jeans tucked into these, which I did used to do a lot. But now I think I'd actually like them better if they're just under the pant where you can't really see it. So I'm gonna try these. These shoes were definitely like an impulse buy in like 2021 that I probably should not have made. Okay, I don't hate them under the pants. They actually match the pants pretty well. But my thought was that I recently thrifted this blazer and it's too big, but I thought maybe if I'm layering it under my wool overcoat that it won't be that big of a deal. And I thought this base layer could be good with it. I think it's too much. I think this is way too much for me. Because then I was even thinking that I would have this scarf, because this scarf matches this blazer perfectly. Like, it's okay. I'm having a really hard time. All right, that was not working for me. So then I tried just the blazer, and I honestly, the blazer feels too big. But I think the super oversized blazer with the lug sole boots makes it feel so 2020 to me that I like can't, or 2019 even, that I like, whatever year, you guys know what I mean, that I like can't do it. But my thought was this scarf, probably carry this bag. It just does not feel like me. And then these like UGG earmuffs, but it just does not feel like me at all. So I'm gonna abandon it and go on to my other ideas. Okay, I want to do this cashmere knit sweater like hoodie, sweater hoodie one of the days, but I was thinking if I just wore baggier jeans, it would actually be a good morning to airport look. I don't want to do these boots. I would rather do my sneakers. I think we'll be fine. I don't think it's gonna rain at all, so I don't think it'll be too crazy dirty. So I'm gonna put on my baggier pants, and then maybe this will be good for Sunday on the way home. Okay, this is much better. This will definitely work for my like Sunday brunch to airport look. Could either do like this yellow beanie, my hair down, or I don't know if I'm gonna do this Saturday is like the or else the UGG thing, probably with my hair up. And then at this point, my bag while we're shopping around, or going to brunch, I should say, would likely be this Coach bag. Thinking that I'll do the beanie the last day, because I think Saturday I want my hair to be slicked back in a way that I can just take it from day to night without having to deal with beanie hair, but we'll see. So thinking this for the last day. All right, it is the night before we leave for New York, and I still don't know what I'm wearing on Saturday, so I've got to try some things on. I'm trying to keep in mind that this will likely be my during the day outfit and my dinner out outfit. The temperatures are going to be like in the 30s, which we're used to being very cold in Ohio here recently. Yesterday morning when I went to work, it was like 1 degrees, so I'm not too worried about the 30s, but we'll definitely want some layers. Like I will definitely be doing a tank top bodysuit at least, because I feel like if your torso is covered with like a bodysuit, that automatically just makes your outfit warmer. I got this sweater off of J. Crew. I loved how it looked on the model. I'm not certain yet how it looks on me, but I'm gonna try it on and maybe we'll style this. All right, here is that sweater on with a pair of like wash black jeans. I feel like I should have gotten one size down from what I got. This is the bag that I'm taking, I think, for sure. Then I could do this belt with this, that, and then we'll have this bag. Ugh. I don't know. I recently got these boots off of Poshmark. They're Todd's and like 100% leather, and I got them for like $40, which I was very excited about. I wore them to work today, loved them, and then I realized that this heel is cracking and this like flopped off kind of. I feel like I could glue that back on, but in the long run I obviously will want to get them repaired. But I just want to see how these look. I think in my head these pants were a little more cropped and fit more like my barrel jeans, or I could do the leather pants that I'm already wearing to the show. Let me see how this looks with my golden goose first. Oh, and the forecast is official that they're not gonna have any precipitation until we leave, so that's great. I don't know, I'm not loving it, which is not good. Because I probably feel like I don't need this belt with all these other, like, I'm definitely gonna have this bag and I'm definitely gonna have this brooch. And I think during the day on Saturday while we're walking around, I'm definitely gonna have like a blanket scarf of some sort, in which case like all is fine, like you can't even see what's underneath. But it's like when we're at dinner and I'm not wearing my jacket, I'm not wearing any of that, like what do I want this to look like? I feel like I don't like these jeans. All right, I had to take a break and just eat something and not think about it for a minute. And now I think I have it figured out. This chambray button down, it's like one of my favorite tops that I own, and it's pretty comfortable. So I thought I could do like a denim on denim look. I just need to look in the camera and see, did these pants make more sense? Or does this coloring look like it makes more sense together? Or maybe this coloring. I think I've done it with these before, so I think that's why I'm leaning towards these. I think I'm going with the lighter jeans because these are the ones that I plan to wear on Sunday anyways, and I just think I like the fit of these on me better. I added a black cardigan for warmth, also just for like the layered look. I also added the belt because I don't think it's too much if I have the shirt kind of peeking over it the whole time. Then the blue scarf, so we're going like kind of a monochromatic blue look. The wool overcoat that I'm going to be wearing the whole time with the little eye on it, golden goose. My hair will probably be up, I don't know yet. And then I'm bringing the little oven, the earmuffs, depending on how cold my ears are. I just don't know. I'm really like stuck on the socks, kind of. Like I feel like I need the lighter color in socks. And then this is my bag. It's the socks for me right now. Okay, I found the lighter sock on this foot, which I think looks better than the darker sock. So I'm gonna look for the other lighter sock. So this is what I'm going with.